Choi Tae joon is a South Korean actor. He is known for his lead role in melodrama Exit. He was born on July 7, 1991 in Seoul, South Korea. He attended the Chung-Ang University from where he studied theatre. Later, while hosting the variety show Hello Counselor, he recalled his personal struggles as a child actor in one of its episodes while sympathizing with a 12-year-old guest on the show who was pushed by her father for acting lessons. He stepped into the world of acting as a child artist with the SBS-aired South Korean television series Piano. This was followed by another series, Magic Kid Masuri, and the film Project X, following which he quit acting as a child artist. On March 7, 2018, it was confirmed by Huayi Brothers that Choi has been in relationship with actress Park Shin-hye since late 2017. In 2018, Choi was cast in his first lead role on network television in the 2-episode drama special Exit. He was then cast in the romantic comedy drama So I Married an Anti-Fan as the main lead, based on the webtoon of the same name. Choi made his acting debut as a child actor, playing the younger version of Jo In-sang's character in the television series Piano. Choi was a cast member of the virtual reality show We Got Married in 2016, pairing with Aping's Yeon Bo-mi. Choi became a permanent host on the Korean variety show Hello Counselor in September after being a guest 2 weeks in a row in August 2016. His second innings so far has seen him feature in 2 films, namely Pacemaker and Eclipse. He has also featured in many TV variety shows like Radio Star and Hello Counselor, of which the latter saw him become its permanent host for episodes 288 to 341. He signed with South Korean talent management agency and TV production company Huayi Brothers in July 2017. The South Korean TV series Missing 9 that aired on MBC from January 18, 2017 to March 9, 2017 featured him in the supporting role of Choi Tae joon. He featured as KDI 109 in the 2017 web series 109 Strange Things that was shown in the South Korean web portal Never. He appeared as Sang Ji-hyun, one of the main cast of the South Korean historical romantic and action TV series The Flower in Prison, the series that aired on MBS in commemoration of the network's 55th founding anniversary run for 51 episodes. In 2015, he featured in the SBS variety show Running Man. He then played the role of Si-joon in the March 30, 2016 released film Eclipse. In 2014, he featured as guest in the South Korean talk show Radio Star that aired on MBC Network. The South Korean romance suspense fantasy TV series The Girl Who Sees Smells saw him playing the supporting role of Ye Sang-jil. He appeared in the March 2017 released music video of the song Bye Bye Happy Days by the South Korean pop girl group Kara. His performances have gained him numerous accolades and awards over the years. During the 3rd Asia Artist Awards, he was named as the Best Icon. He has also won MBC Drama Awards and a KBS Entertainment Award.